Desmos Notebook is a new interactive tool that combines graphs, expressions, text, and sliders all in one place, making it incredible for explaining math concepts, but also concepts from any other domain that has graphs involved. So this month, I'm launching a Desmos Notebook Challenge, where the top 3 notebooks explaining a concept will get a prize, something from the Desmos merch store. Thank you, Desmos, for providing prizes for this. Here are some more details. The due date is July 31st, and like usual, I'll keep the Google form open for a day or two just to account for any time differences or people procrastinating just a little bit. You can explain any topic you want as long as graphs are important to explaining the topic. Here are the 2 judging criteria I'll be using to pick winners. The first one is, how effective is it at explaining the given topic? And the second is, how effective is it at letting the user explore the topic through interaction, like using sliders, for example. Note that it's not going to be judged on the complexity of the topic that you choose. So choosing something from Algebra 1 that you would take in middle school or high school would be awesome. Or you can choose something like modular forms and elliptic curves that prove Fermat's last theorem or something if you really want to. Just know that I won't understand what you're talking about, so you'll have to dumb it down a little bit, like you're explaining to a 5-year-old, or really a 32-year-old who acts like a 5-year-old. Also, it really doesn't have to be math. You can do any topic. Something like literature, history, art would be great, as long as graphs are important in explaining it. And I'd love to see it because I want to learn something new, not related to math as well. I'll be working on my own Desmos notebooks on a live stream or maybe multiple live streams. So feel free to stop by, enter the chat with any questions you might have, or just use it as motivation to get started. I'm also hoping that some people use this as motivation for 3 Blue 1 Brown Summer of Math Exposition, because you can submit a blog post or a website, and a Desmos notebook seems great for that. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. You can join my Discord as well, where we'll be discussing the challenge, any questions you might have, and I look forward to seeing your submission. Thanks.